Hi, good day. I'm Jason Campo, your virtual assistant. Today, I will show you the email management tasks like labeling, stars, folders, and vacation responses on your Gmail account. Um, okay, and labels. This is you can see the labels here in this side, and this is when you can create new label. And just click here the plus. For example, my MBA portfolio, and then create. And this is my MBA portfolio. You can click here, just put here what your MBA portfolio, just put it in here, and then you can change it in the color. Just click these three dots, and I choose the color blue. Then and then in for the use of the stars, you can click this here, and you can change the stars. Like if this is the you already read it, the messages of your emails, or if this will be um urgent or need to response, or you use these stars. For and how to activate it, see you go to the settings, then see all settings, and then scroll down, you see the stars, and you can choose it either 1 star, 4 star, or all stars. So for example, this 1 star, only the 1 star, then 4 star, only those 4 stars. And this going to click all stars, and this is your all stars, and then click save changes. So and see this. So in vacation responses, you go to the settings, see all settings, and then scroll down again. Then you see this vacation responder, and I have my vacation responder off, so I put it in on, and then I have my subject here weekend off, and then I have my plain text. So this is my text. Hi there, thanks for reaching out. I'm currently out of the office for the weekend, and I will get back to you first thing Monday morning. I appreciate your patience. Talk soon, best. Giselle Campo. Then I save changes, and that's it. And you can see this in your upper side, weekend off, and now vacation settings. So this will be your vacation responder or responses, vacation response. That's all. Thank you.